So today we'll use the grid and button component to work on the sale products. By looking at the structure and style of this sale product, it looks similar to recent product which we built in the previous session. So we will copy this recent product component and make some changes for the sale product. So open your code editor, open components and home folder, copy recent product.js and paste in the same location. You can then rename it to saleproducts.js. Then change the component name from recent products to sale products. Now let's import this component in pages and home.js. On top, import sale products. At the bottom, use sale products element. Go back to saleproducts.js and in title, change them to sale products. Let's check the preview and we can see sale products over here. It means our component is working. Now I want to remove this products data and instead I want to add another products data which has sale price property. It also has different image and a title. Now inside this price div, I want to add span tag. Also, I want to add a class called sale price. And to get the sale price, I want to use product.salePrice. Let's take the preview. And now we can see the sale price over here. Also, if you compare it with the design, it is looking exactly the same. Great. This is the end of this session. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.